Welcome, today I'll show you how to disable quick launch into XIAOMI Redmi 10C. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and go into additional settings option. Here I choose against the shortcuts option, and now from the list choose your application what you wanna turn off. So I wanna turn off launch camera option. Okay, and now from the disable quick launch need change your switcher on the position like this, like gray. If this position it's activate and this position it's turn off this option. So and turn on this one. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.